Imagine standing on a snowy peak, the crisp mountain air filling your lungs as you prepare to glide down a pristine slope. From the exhilarating rush of carving through powder to the cozy charm of alpine villages, skiing in Europe is an experience that combines adventure, relaxation, and breathtaking scenery. Whether you're an expert seeking challenging runs or a beginner looking for gentle slopes, Europe's ski resorts have something for everyone. In this countdown of the top 10 ski resorts in Europe, you'll discover destinations that offer not only incredible skiing, but also luxurious amenities, rich histories, and unforgettable memories. And trust me, you don't want to miss number 1. It's a showstopper that will leave you dreaming of your next winter getaway. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss any of the travel inspiration and insider tips from our channel. 10. Méribel, France. Nestled in the heart of the French Alps, Méribel is a ski lover's paradise. As part of the legendary Three Valleys, the largest ski area in Europe, it offers over 600 kilometers of interconnected slopes that cater to every skill level. Whether you're a seasoned skier or a first-timer, Méribel has something to suit your needs. The resort itself is a blend of traditional alpine charm and modern amenities. Picture wooden chalets scattered across snowy landscapes, cozy restaurants serving up hearty French cuisine, and après-ski lounges where laughter and music fill the air. But Méribel isn't just about its slopes. It's steeped in history too. This iconic resort played a major role in the 1992 Winter Olympics held in Albertville, hosting events like women's alpine skiing and ice hockey. Today, it continues to attract visitors from around the world, offering a dynamic mix of adventure and relaxation. For snowboarders, the snow parks are a dream come true, while off-slope activities like snowshoeing and spa retreats add a touch of variety. Méribel is more than just a ski resort. It's a destination that captures the essence of winter wonderland magic. 9. Avoriaz, France. Avoriaz is not your typical ski resort. It's a place where modernity meets natural beauty. Located in the Porte du Soleil region of France, Avoriaz is a car-free haven where you can ski right through the town. Imagine gliding down snow-covered streets past uniquely designed wooden buildings, their slanted roofs blanketed in fresh snow. Built in the 1960s, this resort was designed with skiers in mind, and it shows in every detail. From the moment you arrive, you'll feel like you've stepped into a winter fairy tale. This resort is especially popular with families thanks to its welcoming atmosphere and abundance of gentle nursery slopes. Beginners and intermediates will find plenty of terrain to explore, while experienced skiers can tackle more challenging runs in the surrounding Portes du Soleil ski area. Avoriaz also boasts some of the best snowfall in France, ensuring excellent conditions throughout the season. And when you're ready to take a break, the resort's lively après-ski scene, cozy restaurants, and family-friendly activities make it the perfect place to unwind. Avoriaz is more than just a ski resort. It's an unforgettable experience that keeps visitors coming back year after year. 8. Lech, Austria. If luxury and elegance are what you're after, Lech in Austria is the place to be. This picturesque alpine village is a magnet for celebrities, royals, and anyone who appreciates the finer things in life. Surrounded by the stunning Arlberg Mountains, Lech offers not only breathtaking scenery but also world-class skiing. The slopes here are perfect for intermediate skiers, with a variety of runs that strike the ideal balance between challenge and enjoyment. Lech isn't just about skiing, it's about the lifestyle. The village is dotted with gourmet restaurants serving exquisite Austrian cuisine, luxury hotels with spa facilities that rival the slopes in appeal, and boutique shops where you can pick up unique treasures. While Lech is undeniably upscale, it maintains a welcoming and relaxed atmosphere, making it a great choice for families and groups of friends. Off the slopes, you can enjoy activities like snowshoeing, horse-drawn sleigh rides, and scenic hikes through the pristine winter landscape. Lech combines adventure and sophistication in a way few other resorts can, making it a must-visit destination for any ski enthusiast. 7. Verbier, Switzerland. Verbier, Switzerland is the epitome of alpine allure and excitement. Set in the stunning Valais region, this world-renowned resort is a dream destination for those who crave thrilling ski adventures and a buzzing social scene. Verbier is not just about skiing, it's a lifestyle. Its slopes, which are bathed in sunshine thanks to its south-facing location, are among the best in Europe. With over 400 kilometers of ski runs, this resort is a playground for advanced skiers and freeriders seeking adrenaline-pumping descents and expansive off-piste terrain. Getting to Verbier is a breeze. Accessible by car or train from Geneva, it's a hub for international travelers. Once you're there, the glamorous atmosphere takes over. Celebrities and royalty are known to frequent the resort, and you might find yourself sharing a lift with someone famous. The après-ski scene is legendary, with lively bars and upscale lounges where the energy continues well into the night. But it's not all about high-energy thrills. Verbier Verbier also caters to those who prefer a more relaxed pace. From gourmet dining and mountaintop restaurants to luxurious chalets with unbeatable views, this resort offers something for everyone. 6. Courmayeur, Italy. At the foot of Mont Blanc, Europe's highest peak, lies the charming Italian resort of Courmayeur. It's a place where skiing meets sunshine and stunning views meet Italian hospitality. This resort is celebrated not only for its excellent skiing conditions, but also for its welcoming atmosphere and laid-back charm. The ski area is versatile, offering something for everyone, from gentle slopes for beginners to challenging runs for seasoned experts. One of Courmayeur's highlights is the cable car ride that whisks you up to breathtaking panoramic views of Mont Blanc and the surrounding peaks. Whether you're gliding down the slopes or simply soaking in the scenery, the experience is unforgettable. But skiing is just the beginning here. Courmayeur is also known for its delightful après-ski scene, where cozy mountain bars and family-run trattorias serve up hearty Italian dishes and warm hospitality. If you're looking for a ski resort that combines thrilling adventures with an intimate, friendly vibe, Courmayeur is a must-visit destination. 5. St. Moritz, Switzerland. When it comes to luxury and prestige, few ski resorts can rival St. Moritz, Switzerland. Nestled in the Engadin Valley, this iconic resort has hosted the Winter Olympics twice, in 1928 and 1948, cementing its place in skiing history. But it's not just the history that makes St. Moritz special, it's the experience. The resort is a blend of adventure and opulence, where world-class slopes meet five-star accommodations and fine dining. The skiing here is diverse, catering to all levels, from gentle beginner trails to challenging runs that test even the most experienced skiers. Off the slopes, the resort offers an array of activities, from ice skating and bobsledding to shopping in high-end boutiques. The après-ski scene is equally impressive, with chic bars and restaurants that exude elegance. St. Moritz is more than a ski resort. It's a destination where glamour and adventure come together to create an unforgettable winter experience. 4. Cortina d'Ampezzo, Italy. Known as the Queen of the Dolomites, Cortina d'Ampezzo in northern Italy is a ski resort that oozes charm and sophistication. With its dramatic mountain scenery and vibrant social scene, it's no wonder this resort has long been a favorite among the jet set. Cortina was a key venue for the 1956 Winter Olympics and is set to co-host the Games again in 2026, further solidifying its status as a world-class destination. The skiing at Cortina is as impressive as the views, with slopes that cater to all abilities. But for many visitors, the skiing is only part of the allure. Cortina is equally famous for its stylish atmosphere, where upscale boutiques, fine dining, and lively après-ski spots steal the spotlight. Whether you're hitting the slopes or simply soaking up the scenery, Cortina offers a blend of adventure and luxury that's hard to resist. 3. Zugspitze, Germany. Rising over 3,000 meters, Zugspitze is Germany's highest peak and a mecca for winter sports enthusiasts. This resort offers breathtaking views of the Bavarian Alps and some of the most reliable snow conditions in Europe. Whether you're a beginner taking your first steps on skis or an experienced skier seeking a challenge, Zugspitze has a variety of slopes to suit your needs. One of the unique attractions of Zugspitze is the historic ice stadium, originally built for the 1936 Winter Olympics. Today, it's open to the public, offering ice skating and lessons in speed skating and ice dancing. Beyond the slopes, the resort boasts charming alpine lodges, cozy restaurants, and a welcoming atmosphere that makes it a great destination for families. From the thrilling descents to the serene mountain vistas, Zugspitze is a ski resort that captures the essence of a perfect winter getaway. 2. Courchevel, France. Courchevel, France is a name synonymous with elegance and prestige. This resort is part of the world-famous Three Valleys, the largest interconnected ski area on the planet. But it's not just the skiing that attracts visitors from across the globe. Courchevel is a destination where luxury takes center stage. Imagine gliding down pristine slopes by day and indulging in Michelin-starred dining or high-end shopping by night. It's no wonder that this resort is a favorite among the rich and famous. But Courchevel isn't just for expert skiers or those with deep pockets. The resort is incredibly family-friendly, offering beginner slopes and activities that cater to children and novice skiers. Each of Courchevel's villages, ranging from the ultra-glamorous Courchevel 1850 to the more traditional Courchevel Le Praz, has its own unique character, ensuring there's something for everyone. Whether you're skiing on powdery snow or enjoying a luxurious spa day, Courchevel is a destination that delivers on every level. 1. St. Anton am Arlberg, Austria. Welcome to the birthplace of modern skiing, St. Anton am Arlberg in Austria. This historic resort has earned its reputation as one of the best ski destinations in the world, thanks to its challenging slopes and vibrant après-ski scene. With over 300 kilometers of marked runs and extensive off-piste opportunities, St. Anton is a playground for advanced skiers skiers and thrill seekers, but don't be intimidated if you're a beginner. St. Anton offers ski schools and gentle slopes for those just starting out. The resort's pedestrian-friendly village adds to its charm, with cozy cafes, lively bars, and welcoming restaurants that create the perfect atmosphere to relax after a day on the slopes. From its rich history to its adventurous spirit, St. Anton is a must-visit destination for anyone looking to immerse themselves in the heart of alpine skiing. Do you agree with our picks? Which of these extraordinary ski resorts would you love to visit? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel content. Your insights might just inspire someone's next adventure.